Before you buy any leather cleaner, there's one thing no product page will tell you: most of them leave behind a sticky residue that actually attracts more dirt over time. I've seen it happen over and over. People clean their leather seats or bags, they look shiny for a day, then get even dirtier than before. That's why picking the right cleaner isn't just about shine, it's about long-term protection. Product number 1: Phoebing's Saddle Soap. This isn't your average wipe in a can. Phoebing's Yellow Saddle Soap has been a leather care staple since 1895, and it shows. It comes in a small 3.5 oz tin as a thick paste, unscented and all-natural, which already sets it apart from chemical-heavy cleaners. If you want deep, old-school leather care that actually conditions while it cleans, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike wipes that just sit on the surface, this paste penetrates deep into the leather fibers, lifting out embedded grime while adding natural oils that prevent cracking and brittleness. It's perfect for car seats, boots, saddles, couches, basically any high-use leather item that needs real restoration. Over 6,000 people bought this in the past month, and it's trusted by professionals who work with fine leather every day. Now some people complained about the mess. You do need a damp cloth to work it in, and it takes a few extra minutes compared to wipes. Here's the thing though, that extra effort is exactly why it works so well. If you're okay with a little elbow grease, this delivers results wipes can't match. This is perfect for you if you own quality leather goods and want to preserve them for years. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick, no-rinse solution for daily touch-ups. For long-term leather health, this is one of the best values out there. Product number 2: Chemical Guys Wipes. Now, if Phoebing's felt too hands-on, these Chemical Guys leather cleaner wipes are your go-to for fast, no-fuss cleaning. You get 50 pre-moistened wipes in a resealable pack, each one infused with a gentle formula that's safe for real, synthetic, and faux leather. If you want convenience without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These wipes remove dirt, body oils, and light stains without drying out the leather, a common issue with cheaper wipes that strip natural oils. The leather scent is subtle, not overpowering, and they're safe for car interiors, furniture, bags, and even boots. Over 1,000 people bought these last month, and they're a favorite among car detailers for quick interior refreshes. Now some people complain that they don't condition deeply, they clean well, but won't restore dry or cracked leather. Here's the thing though, that's not what they're built for. They're meant for maintenance, not repair. If your leather is already in good shape, these keep it that way with zero effort. This is perfect for you if you need a grab-and-go solution for weekly upkeep. Skip this one if your leather is visibly dry or faded. You'll need a conditioner after cleaning. For the price and ease, these are a solid everyday pick. Product number 3: Wyman Leather Wipes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for protecting your leather from sun damage. Wyman's 2-pack of leather wipes includes built-in UV protection, which most cleaners completely ignore. These unscented wipes are designed to clean, condition, and shield leather from fading and cracking caused by sunlight. If you want to prevent long-term damage, especially on car seats or outdoor furniture, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. UV rays break down leather fibers over time, causing color loss and brittleness, something you won't notice until it's too late. These wipes add a protective layer that helps slow that process, which is huge if your car sits in the sun or your couch gets direct light. Over 800 people bought this pack recently, and it's often recommended for older leather that's starting to show wear. Now, some people complained about the price. $22 for 2 packs feels steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, you're not just buying cleaner, you're buying prevention. If your leather is exposed to sunlight regularly, that UV protection could save you from costly repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you live in a sunny area or drive a lot during the day. Skip this one if your leather is mostly indoors and already well maintained. It's a premium option, but the protection justifies the cost for the right person. Product number 4: Creer 3-in-1 Wipes. Now, if you want one wipe that does it all: clean, condition, and restore shine, these Creer 3-in-1 wipes are hard to beat. You get 75 extra-large 8x10 wipes in a resealable hard lid pack, and each one is thick, durable, and safe for all leather types except suede. If you want professional-level results without switching products, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The all-in-one formula means you don't need separate cleaners and conditioners. Just one wipe tackles dirt, dryness, and dullness in a single pass. The large size covers more area, so you use fewer wipes per job, and the non-linting texture won't tear or leave fibers behind. Over 700 people bought these last month, and they're praised for reviving old car seats and handbags. Now some people complain that they can leave a slight waxy film if overused. Here's the thing though, that's easily buffed off with a dry cloth, and it's a sign the conditioning agents are working. Just don't go overboard on already soft leather. This is perfect for you if you want maximum results with minimum effort. Skip this one if you prefer unscented products. These have a mild, cleaner smell. For the count, size, and performance, this is one of the best values on the list. Product number 5, Air Jungle's 3-in-1 Wipes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty cleaning. Air Jungle's 3-in-1 wipes are 8x10, extra thick, and designed to tackle tough stains on both new and aged leather. With 50 wipes in a sturdy canister, they're built for durability and long-term use. If you want a powerful cleaner that revives neglected leather, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These wipes don't just surface clean, they break down oil, grime, and deep-set dirt while adding conditioning agents to restore softness and shine. The fresh scent is light, not chemical-heavy, and the formula is non-toxic and lint-free, so it won't irritate your hands or leave residue. Over 400 people bought these recently, and they're especially popular for cleaning car seats that have been exposed to sweat, sunscreen, or food spills. Now some people complain that the canister isn't as resealable as advertised. The lid can dry out the wipes if not closed tightly. Here's the thing though, just store them in a sealed plastic bag between uses, and they'll stay moist for months. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with stained or dull leather that needs serious revival. Skip this one if you only need light maintenance. It's overkill for already clean surfaces. For the power and size, these are a great mid-range choice. So which one should you pick? Phoebings is best for deep, long-term care. Chemical Guys wins for quick, easy cleaning. Wyman adds crucial UV protection. Creer gives you the most wipes and all-in-one power. And Air Jungles handles the toughest jobs. No single cleaner is perfect for everyone. It depends on your leather, your routine, and how much time you're willing to spend. But now you know exactly what each one does and what they don't.